डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट। देयर इज नो डाउट अबाउट इट। कमरे में कोई है। देयर इज समवन इन द रूम। देयर इज समवन इन द रूम। वहाँ काफ़ी लोग थे। देयर वर मैनी पीपल देयर। देयर वर मैनी पीपल देयर। वहाँ कुछ गलत था। देयर वॉज समथिंग रॉन्ग। देयर वॉज समथिंग रॉन्ग। यहाँ कुछ समस्याएं हैं। देयर आर सम प्रॉब्लम्स हेयर। देयर आर सम प्रॉब्लम्स हेयर। स्कूल में बहुत सी कुर्सियाँ हैं। देयर आर मैनी चेयर्स इन द स्कूल। देयर आर मैनी चेयर्स इन द स्कूल। मैदान में खिलाड़ी नहीं हैं। देयर आर नो प्लेयर्स इन द ग्राउंड। देयर आर नो प्लेयर्स इन द ग्राउंड। नाश्ते के लिए क्या है? What is there for breakfast? What is there for breakfast? सभा में कितने लोग थे? How many people were there in the meeting? How many people were there in the meeting? स्टेशन के पास कई होटल हैं। There are many hotels near the station. There are many hotels near the station. जुलूस में सैकड़ों लोग होंगे। There will be hundreds of people in the procession. There will be hundreds of people in the procession. क्या कोई समस्या है? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? क्या उसके जीतने की कोई उम्मीद है? Is there any hope of his winning? Is there any hope of his winning? चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need to worry. There is no need to worry. कार में जगह नहीं थी। There was no space in the car. There was no space in the car. तुम्हारे कमरे में कितने पंखे हैं? How many fans are there in your room? How many fans are there in your room? दरवाजे पर कोई था। There was someone at the gate. There was someone at the gate. हफ्ते में 7 दिन होते हैं। There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. कोई समस्या नहीं थी। There was no problem. There was no problem. एक लड़का है। There is a boy. There is a boy. एक भिखारी था। There was a beggar. There was a beggar. मेरे गांव में एक विद्यालय होगा। There will be a school in my village. There will be a school in my village. देश में अनेक समस्याएं थीं। There were many problems in the country. There were many problems in the country. मेज पर एक किताब थी। There was a book on the table. There was a book on the table. नदी में पानी नहीं है। There is no water in the river. There is no water in the river. बाग में बंदर नहीं होगा। There will not be a monkey in the garden. There will not be a monkey in the garden. क्या पेड़ पर चिड़ियाँ होंगी? Will there be birds on the tree? Will there be birds on the tree? क्या वहाँ एक पुस्तकालय है? Is there a library there? Is there a library there? क्या उस कुएं में सांप था? Was there a snake in that well? Was there a snake in that well? संसार में शांति होगी. There will be peace in the world. There will be peace in the world. भारत में विकास होगा. There will be development in India. There will be development in India. क्या पार्क में पौधे नहीं थे? Were there no plants in the park? Were there no plants in the park? क्या मेज पर किताबें नहीं हैं? Are there no books on the table? Are there no books on the table? क्या पेड़ पर बंदर नहीं होंगे? Will there be no monkeys on the tree? Will there be no monkeys on the tree? दरवाजे पर कोई नहीं है. There is no one at the door. There is no one at the door. बाल्टी में पानी है. There is water in the bucket. There is water in the bucket. चाय में चीनी नहीं थी. There was no sugar in the tea. There was no sugar in the tea. पिंजरे में दो तोते हैं. There are two parrots in the cage. There are two parrots in the cage. बाग में एक मंदिर है. There is a temple in the garden. There is a temple in the garden. मेरे परिवार में 7 लोग हैं. There are 7 members in my family. There are 7 members in my family. प्याले में चाय नहीं है. There is no tea in the bowl. There is no tea in the bowl. बस में भीड़ नहीं थी. There was no crowd in the bus. There was no crowd in the bus. क्या चाय में चीनी है? Is there sugar in the tea? Is there sugar in the tea? क्या बोतल में पानी नहीं है? Is there no water in the bottle? Is there no water in the bottle? दरवाजे के पीछे एक लड़का है. There is a boy behind the gate. There is a boy behind the gate. कमरे में मेहमान होंगे. There will be guests in the room. There will be guests in the room. गली में कितने लड़के हैं? How many boys are there in the street? How many boys are there in the street? मेरे घर के सामने एक विश्वविद्यालय है. There is a university in front of my house. There is a university in front of my house. मेरे जेब में पैसे नहीं हैं. There is no money in my pocket. There is no money in my pocket. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. मोमबत्ती बुझा दो. Blow out the candle. Blow out the candle. सीधे खड़े रहो. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. फिर यहाँ मत आना. Do not come here again. Do not come here again. निराश मत हो. Don't be upset. Don't be upset. मेरी चिंता मत करो. Do not worry me. Do not worry me. तुम फिर कब आओगे? When will you come again? When will you come again? तुम स्कूल कैसे जाते हो? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? वह कहाँ रहता है? Where does he live? Where does he live? ये कौन करेगा? Who will do this? Who will do this? तुमने कितनी किताबें खरीदी? How many books did you buy? How many books did you buy? मैं बस का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. तुम ठंड से काँप रहे थे. You were shivering with cold. You were shivering with cold. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. मैं गहरी नींद में सोया. I slept very soundly. I slept very soundly. मैं अंग्रेज़ी सीखूंगा. I will learn English. I will learn English. क्या वह सच बोल रहा है? Is he speaking the truth? Is he speaking the truth? लोग हंस रहे थे. The people were laughing. The people were laughing. क्या वह टीवी देख रहा होगा? Will he be watching TV? Will he be watching TV? बच्चे कहाँ खेल रहे होंगे? Where will the children be playing? Where will the children be playing? मैंने उसे पत्र भेजा है. I have sent him a letter. I have sent him a letter. उन्होंने नया घर नहीं खरीदा है. They have not bought a new house. They have not bought a new house. मेरे पास एक कार है. I have a car. I have a car. मैं नाराज नहीं हूँ. I am not angry. I am not angry. वह नाश्ता कब करेगी? When will she take breakfast? When will she take breakfast? क्या आम मीठे हैं? Are the mangoes sweet? Are the mangoes sweet? मैं तैयार नहीं था. I was not ready. I was not ready. वह अपराधी नहीं था. He was not criminal. He was not criminal. क्या वह निराश था? Was he disappointed? Was he disappointed? तुम व्यस्त होगे. You will be busy. You will be busy. वह भूखी नहीं होगी. She will not be hungry. She will not be hungry. क्या तुम दुखी होगे? Will you be sad? Will you be sad? उसके पास किताबें नहीं हैं. He does not have books. He does not have books. क्या मेरे पास एक नई घड़ी है? Do I have a new watch? Do I have a new watch? क्या तुम्हारे पास मेरे लिए समय था? Did you have time for me? Did you have time for me? मेरे पास एक कार होगी। I will have a car. I will have a car. ट्रेन से मत जाओ। Do not go by train. Do not go by train. मेरी तरफ मत देखो। Do not look at me. Do not look at me. कमरा साफ है। The room is clean. The room is clean. अपना काम करो। Do your work. Do your work. मैं कभी कभी चाय पीता हूँ। I drink tea sometimes. I drink tea sometimes. वह यहाँ 2 महीने से रह रहा है। He has been living here for 2 months. He has been living here for 2 months. मुझे मत पीटो। Do not beat me. Do not beat me. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? तुम्हें रोज समय पर आना चाहिए। You should come on time. You should come on time. क्या तुम ये सवाल हल कर सकते हो? Can you solve this question? Can you solve this question? तुम्हें मुझे बताना पड़ेगा। You will have to tell me. You will have to tell me. कभी उसकी मदद मत करना। Never help him. Never help him. सारे दरवाजे बंद कर दो। Close all the doors. Close all the doors. मुझे पैदल जाना पड़ा। I had to go on foot. I had to go on foot. मुझे अंग्रेजी सीखनी चाहिए। I should learn English. I should learn English. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ जाए तो लाइक करें, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।